why do you think people fail job interviews?
नहीं, हमारी job है to serve people. People are not happy, we should not exist. It's as simple as that.
You were commenting, encouraging her, hey dude, you're doing great, I'm proud of
I think I just have good. और मैं बहुत बेली हूँ. I don't like people dissing each other, but I do like गुड डिबेट. अगर मैं एक इंटरव्यू के लिए जाती हूँ एंड आई नो कि अच्छा इस कंपनी के अंदर सब लोग सूट्स एंड टाइज एंड हील्स पहन के जाते हैं, बट आई डोंट वेयर heels ever. But I think the best companies where people really thrive, that are giving positive results, are also companies where employees are enabled, employees are engaged, and employees are happy to come to work at. So I think one reason why people fail interviews is because they come into an interview and they are not the ones who wanted the job the most. For on behalf of the HR fraternity, 99% of the time, 95 chalo to be safe, they will tell you. Hi, I'm Sana. I just finished my podcast with Maham from Hustle, and I strongly recommend that you subscribe.
हेलो क्या हाल चाल गाइज. वेलकम बैक टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ हसल. आज मैंने बुलाया है सना को, सना फ्रॉम लॉरियल. आपको याद होगा शी हैज़ डन वन एपिसोड विद हसल और बहुत ही कमाल का रहा था. बहुत कुछ आप लोगों ने सीखा था उनसे. तो आज दोबारा उनसे बात करेंगे कुछ नई चीज़ों पे जिनसे आप बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे, एंड दिस इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प यू ग्रो पर्सनली एंड प्रोफेशनली बोथ. बट बिफोर दैट यू गोट टू सब्सक्राइब बिकॉज दैट रियली हेल्प्स अस ग्रो. और अब चलते हैं एपिसोड की तरफ. हेलो सना, कैसी हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक. हाउ आर यू? लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी.
वेलकम बैक टू हसल.
थैंक यू. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. इट्स बीन अ फुल ईयर. लाइक यू नो, मेरा ख्याल से मैं अपनी एनिवर्सरी
हम आपके एपिसोड की एनिवर्सरी कर रहे हैं.
मेरे एपिसोड की एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट कर.
yes and since we are celebrating this, how are you feeling being at hustle?
I'm very proud of the success that your podcast has had. मैं भी तुम्हें यही बता रही थी कि I off and on watch all the episodes etc, and a lot of my LinkedIn feed is comments on your podcast, like you know, so I really feel very happy that I was a part of the founding team as opposed to the growing team. Like you know, so I always have very fond memories, but thank you for the opportunity and I'm so happy to be back.
And I love the way you support people on LinkedIn, because not just me or Hustle, but the way you comment on a lot of posts which are celebratory posts, and not just celebratory posts. I see you commenting for a lot of people, supporting them, encouraging them. Somebody posted about motherhood and she joined L'Oreal back, and you were commenting, encouraging her, hey dude, you're doing great, I'm proud of you. I was like, dude, ये बंदी सबको encourage कर रही है. And
I don't think it's
and I love that, yeah, because a lot of people don't do this, don't find time to do this.
I think I just have good. और मैं बहुत बेली हूँ. Now I'm thinking, but no, I think it's. I do it genuinely. I don't even know what you're referring to, but if I see something good, I always try to appreciate it, because I think it makes somebody's day, but it also lets them know that people are looking up to them and they're inspiring for me.
But
so
this
why
is not. So you consider it as वेलापन, but I believe कि
नहीं मैं बिल्कुल नहीं कंसिडर करती वेलापन. मैं तो कहती, मैं तो दिल से कर रही थी, बट तुमने कहा not many people have the time for it. मैंने कहा फिर most probably I'm a little bit more free.
No, so this is more about priorities. See, you prioritize. तो ये आपने consciously build किया है अपने अंदर कि यार I have to like encourage people. Yeah, it was always there कि you know.
No, I think it's subconscious. I don't even know what you're referring to, because
you
like
have encouraged a lot of people.
I like that feedback, but I don't compliment unless I really believe in it. But if I do think it's inspiring, it's something that I'm learning from, it's something that I look up to.
Of course.
I always feel that you should appreciate it. Life is too short to keep the good things to yourself, no? Like you know, if it helps somebody else also, why not? Like they'll feel good too. But
and thank you for constantly commenting on Hustle and Maham's post, because eventually I get a lot of followers.
वो मैं consciously कर रही हूँ. हाँ, वो मैं consciously कर रही हूँ.
Round 2 के लिए. But the good thing is that I always gain a lot of followers whenever you comment or
that's cool.
or you like. I'm like, यार सना की तो followership solid है.
अभी we discussed, right, कि I'm very shy as a person. Yeah, I was just telling you, so I don't see.
But you have built a good personal brand, by the way.
चलो, that's good to know also. But मैं अपने comments वगैरह या अपने podcast के ऊपर I try not to see it. I don't let my husband see it also.
यार ये क्या बात है? आपने अपना ये हसल वाला पॉडकास्ट देखा था?
हसल का मैंने थोड़ा सा देखा था to hear how I sound, but I didn't let my husband see it. because
ये वो तो देख सकते हैं, आपको बुरा लग रहा है।
so I told her no, I don't want your feedback.
सो स्पेसिफिकली हम बात करेंगे बिकॉज मैंने करियर रिलेटेड या प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट रिलेटेड जो भी कंटेंट बनाया है हमेशा, और ख़ास तौर पे एचआर पे, सो वो बहुत अनइंटेंशनल था आपको इंटरव्यू करना या वो एचआर स्पेसिफिक पॉडकास्ट बनाना, बट जब उस पर मुझे फीडबैक अच्छा मिला, आई वाज लाइक अब मुझे ये कॉन्शियसली करना चाहिए बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वांट दैट। आपने कमेंट्स नहीं पढ़े अनफॉर्चुनेटली, पर वो अच्छे कमेंट्स थे एंड पीपल रियली, इनफैक्ट मेरे बहुत सारे जूनियर्स ने मुझे पर्सनली मैसेज करके बोला यार आई लर्न सो मच फ्रॉम सना's podcast.
That's really nice. I genuinely, it's the intent is this, that if my experience can
value.
help somebody, I'm very happy to help. I was again abhi just before the podcast we were discussing, you know, कि I wish somebody would have guided me, so I could have even made more stronger decisions. तो मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि अगर कोई lost है and if our experience can help in one way or the other, why not? Like, you know, and you don't have to agree with everything. So I will say that again. You don't have to agree with everything. It is my opinion. Sometimes it might help you and sometimes you might disagree with it, and that's fine. But what I really enjoy is the debate piece of it. That, you know, that how do we make it better, or how do we do things differently. I don't like people dissing each other, but I do like good debate. Like, you know, quality oriented debates on differences in opinion.
बट यू साउंड सो स्वीट, लोग वैसे ही अग्री कर लेंगे।
प्लीज हिट लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, अच्छे कमेंट्स
ये
लिखें।
2-3 दफा इसको ना रिपीट मोड पे चला देते हैं।
स्क्रीनशॉट्स भेज देती है फिर, लाइक कि जब मैं से कहती कि मुझे डर लग रहा है, सो शी जस्ट सेंड्स मी स्क्रीनशॉट्स, शी इज लाइक नो पीपल आर अप्रिशिएटिंग एवरीथिंग।
भेजा था मैंने आपको, हाँ मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट करके स्टोरी और आपको टैग भी किया था।
या बट देन मैंने नहीं
आपने रीपोस्ट नहीं किया, लव रिएक्ट करके छोड़ दिया। मैंने कहा लगता है अच्छा नहीं लगा।
नहीं, it's not that, it's just that my Instagram is like 200 people, I'm very private, so I knew कि फिर मेरी पूरे खानदान को पता चल जाएगा, and then they want to watch it, like, you know, they want to have a view party, like, you know, जैसे कि देखते हैं, I don't know,
सब मिलके बैठ के देखते हैं। तो लेकिन आपने वो दिखाया नहीं है अपने पिछले इंटरव्यू में।
No, not even my parents, like, you know, not even my dad. My siblings are big fans, I know that, but not my dad, he doesn't know.
अच्छा,
yeah.
और हस्बैंड को आपने देखने नहीं दिया?
हस्बैंड को नहीं देखने दिया, बिकॉज वो बहुत सख्त फीडबैक देगा मुझे, तो से कि ये
तो
बेहतर बहुत
इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाती है उससे तो।
लेकिन उससे लड़ाइयाँ भी हो सकती है, सो आई अवॉइड दैट, लाइक, यू नो।
चलें, ये भी सही, सेफ खेल लिया आपने।
हाँ,
ओके, सो विल गो। मैं जो बात कर रही थी वो ये कि सिर्फ हम करियर डेवलपमेंट कंटेंट पे बात कर रहे हैं, एंड देयर वाज सर्टेन कॉन्वर्सेशन रिगार्डिंग कि आप इंटरव्यूज़ कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं, अपने जॉब इंटरव्यूज़ को या अपनी सीवी को कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं। बट देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स जो कि आप जानती हैं। अगेन आप सोचते हैं कि कौन देखता होगा, बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल जो अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, स्पेशली पाकिस्तानी मार्केट में। देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ गैप, यू नो, बिकॉज उनकी चाहे वो एजुकेशन हो या वो ओवरऑल अपब्रिंगिंग हो, उस सब में कहीं ना कहीं बिकॉज वो एक्सपीरियंस जो इंटरनेशनली एक्सपोजर आपने लिया है उससे आया है, वो तजुर्बा बहुत सारे लोगों के पास नहीं होता है। तो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट why do you think people fail job interviews? What are the things that they can improve? And जो बातें हमने पिछली बार करी थी, I'm sure कुछ याद होगा। मैंने इतनी क्लिप्स चला दी हैं सना की।
हाँ, नहीं यार, मुझे याद
क्या को याद होगा। But other than that, I mean, let's start from maybe grooming, you know, that can be the turn off point for maybe an interviewer. What do you think? Can it be?
Okay, I think the good news of this podcast is that I would have done talent acquisition for 2 years. The last time I met you, I told you that my role is so new that I'm still learning the market. But I think for the last 2 years, odd years, that's all what I've been doing. I've been taking interviews, like, you know, so so I can speak a little bit from my own experience, and like, तो कह लो कि मैंने 2 साल की research कर ली इसके ऊपर, ठीक है ना? I think there is no such thing as I need people to understand that it's not about how you look, it's about how you're comfortable, right? So if I'll give you my own example, right? That अगर मैं एक इंटरव्यू के लिए जाती हूँ and I know कि अच्छा इस कंपनी के अंदर सब लोग suits and ties and heels पहन के जाते हैं, but I don't wear heels ever. Like, you know, I'm a big fan of chappals. Like, you know, even in office I like to wear chappals, like nice chappals, but chappals, like, you know.
Okay.
So if I'm wearing my heels, I feel uncomfortable, like, you know, and then that kind of makes me feel that I'm not being who I am, right? So I think the one thing that people should not be worried about is how do I look. It's more about your grooming, and in grooming I would just say that be whatever you do, be comfortable in your sense of style. Like, you know, be hygienic for sure. Like, you know, that smell good, brush your hair. Like, you know, don't wear your night suit to an interview. I've been guilty of taking interviews online like that. Like, you know, but I would say that, you
मेरा
know,
भी
that
ऑनलाइन ही लिया था आपने वैसे.
on like अच्छे कपड़ों में लिया होगा, I'm sure. But I would say that it's there is no right and wrong to how you look. Nobody should be judging you, and if you're being judged for that, that's the wrong judgment. That's not the kind of company you want to work for. What matters is you're, yes, that you're hygienic, you smell good, you're clean, etc., like, you know. But the most important part in an interview is that you are comfortable that day. Like, you know, so you go in an attire that really reflects you. So whether it's a shalwar kameez for you in a company where everybody is in suits and boots, or whether you prefer wearing sneakers over formal shoes, it's fine. Like, you know, so you take your own style, and it's, you will automatically see that the quality of that conversation will be a lot more easier for you as well, because the first foundation of you being okay with yourself is there. Like, you know, so that would be my only feedback. That take your personal style and be okay with it, be confident about it. That's as simple as that.
Okay, but
Yeah.
a lot of HRs are like different HRs have different perspective. Do you think that does apply to Pakistani market as well?
It would. I think, like I said, that certain sectors might have professional dress attire. I think अब वो भी कम होता जा रहा है. Back in the day बहुत ज़्यादा होता था कि some sectors, for example, banking required you to be in a suit, maybe, like, you know. But I don't think so today. Organizations have a dress codes. It's all business casual, smart casuals, even formal. But I think people are more and more confident to bring their style to work. So long as it's appropriate, I think there is no problem. So I would say that dress the way you would want to, if you are dressing up for a special occasion for yourself. Like, you know, so you don't need to follow somebody else's dress code, but the dress code you would wear if you were going to some place special and you wanted to look nice, and that should be your dress code for the interview also, because you're going somewhere special and you want to look nice. Like, you know. Yeah.
Okay. I still think because you're the coolest HR, so you won't
Thank
be
you.
you won't be restricting people for like many things. But so I won't name any company, but since मेरा 4 साल का एक्सपीरियंस रहा है कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में ना, ठीक है, और अभी भी वैसे तो इवेंचुअली कॉर्पोरेट ही है, बट आई एम ऑन एंटरप्रेन्योरियल जर्नी, तो वैसे कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शंस मेरे पे है नहीं. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, वो जो पिछले 4 साल में ना, मैंने भी कोई 3 से 4 HR डिपार्टमेंट्स देखे हैं, एंड एवरी HR आई थिंक कोई एक ही बंदी थी जिससे आई वॉज एबल टू कनेक्ट. उसके अलावा आई डेंट हैव गुड एक्सपीरियंस. एंड देयर आई थिंक आप कहती हैं HR का काम है ज़िंदगी आसान करना, मैं बोलती हूँ तो ज़िंदगी मुश्किल बना देते हैं ज़बरदस्ती की.
ये कौन सी HR है? These HRs need to come to my master class. Okay, that's all what I'm going to say.
You should start master classes, by the way.
Because
when are you doing that?
ये मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता कि I notice that people are not too happy with HR, but I don't get it. Like, you know, HR का तो काम is to serve people.
वो कहते हैं हमारा तो जॉब है ये.
नहीं, हमारी जॉब है to serve people. We exist because people to serve people. If people are not happy, we should not exist. It's as simple as that for me. Like, you know, तो मुझे नहीं पता तुम्हारे लिमिटेड एक्सपीरियंस में who you've met, but I think it's also person to person as opposed to companies. Let me be very honest. But
हाँ, so मैंने बहुत अच्छा HR नहीं देखा, बहुत ज़्यादा. बट जितने लोगों से मैं मिलती हूँ उन्होंने भी नहीं देखा हुआ. So कुछ अच्छा
फिर उन्हें सही वाला HR
तो
नहीं
मैं
देखा.
अगर कभी बोलूँ नहीं look at सना, she is the coolest HR, तो मुझे आगे से बोलते हैं वो लॉरियल में है ना. और दूसरी बात, वो आगे से बोलते हैं वो तुम्हारा HR थोड़ी है, वो दूसरों के साथ क्या करती है, वो तो उनसे पूछो ना जाके.
No, I think that is
HR जिसका होता है ना उसको पता होता है.
नहीं, I think they can
I
take
should
feedback
get
from L'Oreal.
testimonials from-
Alhamdulillah, it will be. I think it will be positive. They can take feedback from the market also. But no, I think for me, I don't know. I don't know this debate.
So you never got this kind of feedback when you were working in Pakistan as well. तो यहाँ पे भी किसी ने ऐसा feedback नहीं दिया?
No, I don't think so. I think so. Yeah, jokes में we always say कि HR क्या करता है, marketing क्या करती है, commercial क्या करता है, finance क्या करता है. We always internally as friends we do joke about this.
तो आप classes कब शुरू कर रही हैं?
I need an entrepreneurial startup to support me on this journey, and I'll do it. Like, you know, मेरा बड़ा दिल है पढ़ाई. I eventually want to teach.
I made you meet the investor right away.
नहीं, but in all seriousness, I would say that that in my experience, अगर ये feedback HR के लिए, then HR has to work on it. And I was just like I told you कि a lot of the organizations where I've worked, or a lot of the organizations with which we peg ourselves as a consequence of where I work, they all do what you call a pulse survey of sorts, which tells how happy or engaged employees are. और अगर उस पल्स सर्वे में कभी ऐसा फीडबैक आया होए कि यू नो दे नॉट हैप्पी विद अ पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट और अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, आई डोंट थिंक इट गोज डाउन टू पर्सन बट अ पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट, it's in your KPIs to improve the performance of the department. But I think the best companies where people really thrive, that are giving positive results, are also companies where employees are enabled, employees are engaged, and employees are happy to come to work at. And I think that is quite essentially at the baseline of leadership's role, enabled by HR. It's not HR's job, it is the leadership's job to give that vision, and HR is the key facilitator in ensuring that it's done, like, you know.
So आपने एम्प्लॉय एंगेजमेंट पे भी काम किया है,
Yeah.
और आपने टैलेंट पे पिछले 2 साल आपने कहा कि मैंने काम किया है।
Acquisition के ऊपर,
हाँ,
yeah.
एग्जैक्टली। तो फिर वापस आते हैं, हम ग्रूमिंग पे बात कर रहे थे। अदर देन दैट क्या गलतियाँ देखी आपने?
क्या गलतियाँ देखी? देखो, गलतियाँ नहीं, सबसे पहले I always say that in interview, I think I said it the last time also, कि interview जो होता है ना, always have that, when you go into an interview, I would recommend go in with an attitude to say that while I am being assessed for the job, you are also assessing the company, that whether you will fit in this company or not, right? Like, you know, because if the work actually starts when you get the job, but again, if you get a job where you're not happy, what's the point of that job, right? Like, you know, so
that's true, but मैं, क्योंकि मैं जो समझना चाह रही हूँ ना, वो मैं एक कैंडिडेट के पर्सपेक्टिव से
तो
समझना
मैं
चाह
बिल्कुल
रही हूँ।
आगे आती हूँ ना इसके ऊपर। सबसे पहले तो आप इतना इंटरव्यू फेलियर को इतना दिल पे मत लें, like, you know, that is what I'm trying to say. Tip number 1, आप फेल हो गए, कोई मसला नहीं है, आप फीडबैक लें, you can improve. But tip number 1 में I would say कि remember that you are equally assessing the company as a fit for you as the interviewer is assessing you as a fit for the company, and you need to go in with that attitude, right? So have the right questions, assess कि वो किस तरह से question पूछते हैं, और अगर आपको वही चीज़ पसंद नहीं आ रही, I can guarantee you आपको वो कंपनी के अंदर काम करना पसंद नहीं आएगा, तो you should उधर ही बात ख़त्म कर दें कि this is not for me, like, you know. तो आप सबसे पहले तो अपने gut intuition, अपने feeling, अपने sentiment के ऊपर खेलें कि मुझे, am I inspired when I see somebody sitting on the opposite side? And if you're not inspired, no offense, this company is not going to be able to inspire you long term. You can start thinking on those lines as well. So ask the questions that you really want to ask. Now, this being said, and this is why I'm saying, okay, it's not just your failure, it's also your moment to assess. That's one. Like, you know, now, why do people fail interviews? I don't like the word failure, but why do people not succeed in interviews? Maybe the right question. I think there could be multiple reasons for it. My number 1 pet peeve is, and this is where I would say, that people come in unprepared. They don't know the job description. They don't know which company they've applied for. Sometimes they don't even know the nature of your business or the brands. They've not done any research on it. Like, you know, so when the interviewer is asking, okay, why do you want to work here, or tell us about X, Y, and Z situation or scenario, they have no idea, because उनको तो company का ही नहीं पता, उन्होंने बस apply कर दिया. Like, you know, so I think at least इंटरव्यू से एक रात पहले अगर जेन्युइन पैशन नहीं था कंपनी के लिए और नौकरी के लिए अप्लाई किया है, तो एटलीस्ट एक रात पहले बैठ के गूगल, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, सर्च द कंपनी, अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दे डू, अंडरस्टैंड देयर बिजनेस, सी सम ऑफ देयर लेटेस्ट ऑफरिंग्स, देयर कैंपेन्स, देयर मिशन स्टेटमेंट्स, देयर विजन, व्हाट दे बिलीव इन पीपल, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पीपल वर्क देयर, दे हैव ऑल ऑफ दिस ऑन देयर वेबसाइट. So I think one reason why people fail interviews is because they come into an interview and they are not the ones who wanted the job the most. Because other candidates might have come more prepared, or other candidates genuinely liked that company a lot more, and you want to work with people who like you also, right? So interviewer की side के ऊपर भी वो यही देख रहे हैं ना कि तुम्हें मेरी business में, मेरी company में कितना interest है. So I think one of the things that I really encourage people, and even when I interview, by the way, I always tell them in the next round, if I'm sending them through, that please make sure that you know that you have done your homework, like, you know, learn more, spend more time doing this, like, you know, etc. That's one. So I would say do your homework. Like, you know, that is one reason. The second reason is you've not been able to organize your thoughts. This has happened to me in my interviews. Like, you know, it's not like मैंने interviews लिए भी, interviews दिए भी, ऐसे नहीं कि मैंने interviews नहीं दिए हुए. And I think when I have not been thought of as a right fit for a role, it's predominantly because I was not able to summarize why I should be selected for the role. Like, you know, or when they asked me a question on a behavior or a incident or a situation and how I handled it, maybe मैंने best example ना दिया हो, maybe मैंने उसको सही से explain ना किया हो.
So by saying organize your thoughts, what do you mean? Like, how should one prepare?
So I think a lot of the companies do what you call competency assessment interviews. So they'll always ask you, okay, इस situation में how are you going to react, or tell us an example from your career history when you've handled a situation like this, right? So I think it is very important कि interview से पहले आप अपने 4 या 5 achievements, 4 या 5 challenges अपने दिमाग में practice कर लें. Like, you know, कि if they ask me about an achievement on handling pressure, if they ask me an achievement about managing a team, if they ask me what was my biggest challenge, I should not be saying, I don't know, I've never really had a challenge. Well, then the interviewer, even if they want to assess you on a particular framework, they're not able to because you didn't give them any answer. So वो किस बात के ऊपर आपको pass या fail करेंगे, and they cannot pass you, so they will have to fail you.
आप
They can't
blank हैं
pass
और
you.
आपने इंटरव्यूअर को भी blank कर दिया.
Like, you know, they can't pass you. It's as simple as that. Even if they want to pass you, they can't pass you because you didn't give them an answer. So on what grounds can they pass you, right? So I think research the company, summarize your own achievements and challenges. I think that is very, very important. और ये मैंने अपने honestly अपनी performance से देखा कि, you know, when I've not been able to do that, I've not been the best candidate for a particular project nomination or a job or whatever, like, you know, over the 15 years that I've been. So I think that you need to go in prepared. Third, why do people fail interviews? I think let me think. So it could be that you're not well prepared. Honestly, I don't think इसके beyond reasons होते हैं. You need to be able to. हाँ, third मैं बताती हूँ. आपने question ही नहीं सुना.
हाँ?
आपने question ही नहीं सुना. So many times what happens is that people are having a
क्योंकि ध्यान कहीं और
conversation
चल रहा है. हाँ.
or you're so excited, and this happens many times too. Again, I'm telling you now things in my experience that I have experienced myself. So I am generally a talkative person, like, you know, तो मुझे अपनी story सुनाने का शौक है. Like, you know, so as a result मुझे बचपन से शौक है, like, you know,
so room, by the way.
हाँ, where did you see it?
Asad sir's room.
Yeah, मुझे अपनी
You're
story
sharing the
सुनाने का
story.
शौक है. तो अगर कोई मुझसे question पूछ रहा है, मैं उसका answer ही नहीं दे रही. Like, you know, because I'm not hearing you. I'm more interested in letting you, allowing me time to speak, as opposed to understanding what you want me to tell you. Like, you know, so I think third reason, if you're really good for the job, if you are the perfect fit, you know your story well, you research the company, you know your challenges, you know your achievements, you're like 99% what the job requires, and then you still don't get the job. I think one of the things that you really need to think is कि मैंने question के answer दिए भी थे कि नहीं. Because sometimes you're just overexcited about presenting yourself as well, right? Like, you know, so but ये पता नहीं कितने लोगों के साथ होता है, ये मेरे साथ बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. In fact, when I was small, my father would tell me before my exam कि सना question का answer नहीं, question का answer question पढ़ के देना. Because I used to be so excited about just writing, like, you know, that I not even see the questions, and then the teachers would tell my father कि जो उसने answer लिखा है उसमें तो information सही है, लेकिन उसने question का answer.
ये वाले वर्ड मैंने भी बहुत मारे हैं. क्वेश्चन पढ़ना, सामने वाले की बात ध्यान से सुनना. इनफैक्ट अभी इंटरव्यूअर की प्रोफाइल्स आती है ना, तो अब तो खैर मैं बहुत कॉन्शियसली डेलिबरेटली प्रिपेयर करती हूँ. बट अदर देन दैट मैं पहले मैं ये कर रही थी, मैं प्रोफाइल आई है ना, ज़्यादा नहीं देखी, ऊपर से देख लिया. फिर असद सर भी अक्सर मुझसे सवाल करते हैं ना, अभी किसी से मिलवाना था उनको, लाइक उसका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, लाइक
I don't know.
मैं नाम मैंने याद कर लिया, वो भी बड़ी मुश्किल से. बैकग्राउंड मैंने पढ़ा
So
भी
I
नहीं ध्यान
think
से.
for very good interviews where everything is great, if you are thinking कि क्यों नहीं हुआ, you should really think कि मैंने question के पीछे मैंने answer क्या दिया. So I think this is another one. And sometimes, honestly speaking, to be very honest, I understand कि जब आपको नौकरी चाहिए होती है, आपको नौकरी चाहिए होती है, and that's the biggest struggle, the biggest pressure in your life is that I need that job. So it's easier said than done, and I fully acknowledge it. Like, you know, sometimes it's just not meant to be. Like, you know, and I've become more spiritual in this sense that I feel that if it's not meant to be, something else will happen. You just have to be patient.
So I think the tip here is कि don't be too much desperate. So मैंने ये चीज़ देखी है, I don't know आपने experience की है नहीं, but जो for example अगर interviewer का feedback आ रहा है, अब feedback आ गया कि bro ये गलतियाँ हैं, then the candidates become so much desperate कि नहीं सर देखें ये, नहीं सर मेरी ज़रूरत
Yeah,
है,
don't do
things
that.
like these.
100%, don't do that. Like, and so I would say that sometimes it's not meant to be, and it's okay. And I know it's easier said than done. I honestly know it's easier said than done. I've faced many rejections in my life, but have the faith that something better will come along. That's the other one. And my last step and feedback is that not many people, I think now that I look at multi-markets, I have seen that other markets are a lot more candid and open about asking for feedback. So they'll just email me to say that you interviewed me a week ago and I haven't heard from you. Give me feedback. And last year, I think that's one of the feedbacks that I got from my candidates, that I don't give feedback fast enough. So I think that is one thing we should learn as Pakistanis, that asking for feedback is our right, and feedback is not just to say कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. Feedback should always be taken with the intention for growth. So talk to the recruiter and say कि when can I take feedback on the interview. Sometimes they will say कि अगर if you're selected we will pass you to the next round, and if you're not we will not be calling you. That's fine, because there is a big traffic jam on the number of applicants, etc. But in case you still want feedback because you really thought interview अच्छा हुआ है, talk to the recruiter, and I can tell you 99% of the time the recruiter will take out time. They'll call you and they'll tell you what was right, what was wrong, what could be better, and then you do not take it personally. You take it for your growth, to say okay, how will I improve from this point, right? But take it for growth, not for debate, not for contesting.
Don't take it for debate
And contesting that they have made their decision, they're put in that position of authority to make that decision.
You are not like bad or have made some mistakes. The other person would have been good enough.
Other candidates could have been better, right? But take feedback. I think that is one thing we need to learn, at least as a Pakistani, not as a Pakistani, just as Sana. One thing that I really needed to work on is be okay to ask for feedback, be okay with hearing tough feedback, and be okay with not debating on the feedback but improving on it myself. To not say I don't agree with you. Well, it's counterproductive as a argument. You don't agree with it, you don't need to absorb it, but if you think that there is some truth to it, then you start working on it, and I think that's very important. So I would say that don't be shy of taking feedback, calling up a recruiter later and saying that I didn't get the job, but respectfully I'd want to know what was right, what could I have done better. And I can tell you, on behalf of the HR fraternity, 99% of the time, 95 to be safe, they will tell you. They will tell you. बताते हैं.
अच्छा, also so आपने ये आपकी 5 tips थी, right?
हाँ, पता नहीं कितनी थी, but हाँ tips थी.
So, बट कुछ और चीज़ें जिनको मैं टच करना चाहूँगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हैं, ठीक है. अब ये तो आपने बात की. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं रिपीट कर देती हूँ. यू सेड प्रिपेयर वेल in terms of like know the company well. Then you said कि you should organize your thoughts, should be prepared in terms of the fact कि ये किस तरह के questions आ सकते हैं, जैसे challenges है या ये थोड़ा सा prepare करें. Then third thing you said, listen to the interviewer carefully, listen to the questions carefully. Fourth thing you said, don't be like too much desperate you should just get the feedback and
improve from it. I don't know, there is no reason to not be desperate or be desperate. I just say take feedback. One is that you should try to use the STAR approach, the situation, task, action, result approach.
Okay.
What
is it? I don't know.
You don't know it. Okay, so then you should now create that क्या कहते हैं वो montage बना देना STAR के साथ. So STAR is a way of answer. It's the way of organizing your answers. We learned it in school, so it's not a corporate secret. Everybody learns it in their BBA.
Okay.
STAR basically means अगर आपसे कोई भी question पूछा है, so tell me what is your biggest achievement in your current role. Okay, this is the question that they ask you. So you use STAR to format your answer. So you say that this was the situation. Okay, the reason why I'm sharing this particular example with you is because ये situation थी और इसकी important significance ये थी. ठीक है ना? तो S cover हो गया. ठीक है ना? फिर आपने बताया situation में task क्या था, कि आप उस situation के hero के लिए किस तरह से नॉमिनेट हो गए. ठीक है ना? तो व्हाट वाज द टास्क दैट वाज इंटरेस्टेड टू यू. ठीक है. फिर जब आपको टास्क क्लैरिटी मिल गई तो आपने उसके ऊपर एक्शन क्या लिया. ठीक है ना? और जब आपने एक्शन लिया तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या आया. सो व्हेन यू ऑर्गेनाइज योरसेल्फ थ्रू अ स्टार अप्रोच और so that it really helps, because then you are organizing the answer and really के question का जो question पूछा था उसका आप actually answer दे रहे हैं with the right context and the right result, like and the right role that you played in it. So I think this is one other
Okay.
technique that you can
Okay.
use कि हर
Okay.
चीज़ के ऊपर आप अपना star ज़रूर
ठीक
बनाएं
है,
कि
ठीक है।
situation, task, action, result.
Okay.
Like organize your thoughts in this way.
Interesting. And the fifth thing you said, you should ask for feedback.
Yeah,
specific.
ask for feedback. I think in Pakistan we need to be okay with asking for feedback and okay with receiving it also, guys. Not everybody is gonna say good things. It's fine.
लेकिन ये 5 चीज़ें जो है ना, मुझे लगता है ये थोड़ी सी आगे की बात है, थोड़ा पीछे आ जाते हैं।
पीछे आ
ठीक है
जाते हैं,
ना? अब
चलो।
पीछे आते हैं तो a lot of people are like super nervous when it comes to appearing in interviews, ठीक है, and how to build that strong mindset and get that confidence, because confidence ही वो चीज़ है actually जो बहुत लोग lack कर रहे होते हैं। तो उसको कैसे overcome करें?
यार उसके लिए मैंने सबसे पहली चीज़ बोली कि जिस इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो उस कंपनी को जानो और अपने स्ट्रेंथ को जानो, because I don't think you will lack confidence if you know exactly the job description, you will know exactly the company that you're applying
Knowledge
for.
is power.
Knowledge is power. You know कि वो किस तरह के लोगों को हायर करते हैं, उनकी वेबसाइट के ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, उनके join our people, why our people. They've given you the stories that whether they like to hire innovators and entrepreneurs or they like to hire another breed of talent or whatever, it's there, like for you to see. So if you have prepared well, the only way to be confident is to prepare well, like so I think it all boils down to preparation, and people don't spend enough time preparing. It's as simple as that. Like
Okay.
so you have to prepare. It's जैसे एग्ज़ाम देते हैं, राइट? आप एग्ज़ाम में जाके बैठ जाएंगे बिकॉज आपके पास कॉन्फिडेंस है, लेकिन अगर आपने प्रिपेयर ही नहीं किया, आपने टेक्स्ट बुक ही नहीं
And I
खोली,
think preparation gives you a lot of confidence.
so preparation is key
The
to
right
building
answer.
confidence. Yeah, some people are naturally good at speaking, some people are not, but अगेन अब मुझे लगता है कि आपके ऑडियंस कहेंगे नहीं HR इतना इंटेलिजेंट नहीं होता कि वो जज कर ले कि कौन है कौन नहीं, बट आई फील कि सिर्फ बोलना इज़ नॉट a sign of confidence. The depth of your conversation is what determines your intelligence and your ability to do the job, and that depth will come through preparation. So you don't need to be the jumpiest person in the room, the most confident person in the room, or the most extroverted person in
बात
the
में
room.
वजन होना चाहिए।
You have to have weight in your conversation as well, and interviewers, whether they are business or HR, because they're hearing the same answers 20 times over, what will stick is जब बात में वजन आएगा.
Okay. Also, I think confidence के अलावा communication skills भी हैं जो कि हर किसी की improve नहीं होती. So what do you think कि उस segment में किसी को अगर अपने आप को improve करना है, everybody is not a good conversationalist as well, तो फिर उस पर क्या कर सकते हैं?
देखो, it's true. I would say some people are better communicators than others. They will have it easier also in an interview, which is about two people conversing with each other. But I would say कि if you feel your communication skills are not at par with what they should be for a very dynamic job that you've applied for, then practice. I can give you my own example. I used to practice my interviews with my brother-in-law. I can give you the example of my brother who was asking me कि मेरा इंटरव्यू लो ताकि वो सीख सके कि क्या वो बेहतर कर सकता है, राइट? मैनी स्कूल्स फॉर एग्जांपल कभी कभी आई वी होस्ट वर्कशॉप्स फॉर लम्स, IBA, NAST वगैरह के लिए, वेयर वी आर नॉट हायरिंग बट वी डू मॉक इंटरव्यू सेशंस फॉर देम ऑल्सो. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आपके के अंदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है, या यू जस्ट नीड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ पुश टू प्रैक्टिस मोर on communication skills, तो seek out that practice, like but honestly speaking, अगर एक क्वेश्चन को आप गौर से सुने, आपका कंपनी और अपनी सलाहियत के ऊपर आपके पास अच्छा होमवर्क हुआ है, आप स्टार टेक्निक अप्लाई करें तो आपकी कम्युनिकेशन जनरली एक लेवल अप रेज हो ही जाएगी, राइट? Now what you are indirectly asking me is, does personality matter? Like because if two people have a very similar personality, naturally they like each other more, as opposed to two different personalities
True.
clashing, right?
Yes.
Now that is a human issue, like जिसको आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते. तो I would just say कि focus more on the clarity of your answer and making your point come through. which is more important, right? So do your homework, use the star approach, ठहर के बात करो. मुझे लगता है बहुत दफ़ा people just want to jump and they find awkward, they find pauses in an interview to say I'm taking a minute to think about it. Mostly candidates नहीं करते, because वो नहीं चाहते कि interviewer को लगे कि उनको उसका answer नहीं आता. I don't think the interviewer is going to think that. If you do not know the answer or you need a minute or two to organize your thoughts, say like, give me 2 minutes, I'm going to organize my thoughts. Or, oh, this is a good question, I need to think about it. Like, you know, so give me a minute to think about it, right? Or say that, okay, I don't have an answer, I'm thinking about it. Maybe you should ask me a different question right now. And in the end, I'll come back to it, right? This is very, very important. You can be very honest, and I think that way you've kept the power of that conversation to yourself as opposed to hand it over. Because the minute I say मुझे नहीं आता, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, I'm sorry, तो इंटरव्यू भी कह रहा है कि अच्छा फिर तुम्हें नहीं आता तो फिर मैं तुम्हें कैसे जॉब दूँ, क्योंकि तुमने मुझे आंसर ही नहीं किया. Because their job is to assess your answer, but you're not answering, right? So I would just say that, you know, take a minute, ask for some time. You don't know an answer truthfully, tell them that this is a question that is a little bit tough, you like to answer it in the end, as opposed to now, like, you know, but they can move on to the next question. जिस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ ये कहोगे, उस कॉन्फिडेंस का बहुत लाइक उस कॉन्फिडेंस से बहुत इम्पैक्ट करेगा इंटरव्यू, लाइक, यू नो. बट कम बैक टू द क्वेश्चन, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड दैट डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ होमवर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज इन माय एक्सपीरियंस, and I'm not talking about my international experience, I'm talking about my local experience. I have had people say I don't have an example for when I was challenged at a job, or what my weakness is. No, how can that be? Like, you know, come on, you have to be more self-aware of yourself, right? So which is why I'm saying
कि नहीं कि सिर्फ कंपनी के बारे में प्रिपेयर करो, अपने बारे में
तो मैंने कहा ना कि अपने बारे में प्रिपेयर करके जो अपनी अचीवमेंट्स, अपने स्ट्रेंथ्स, अपने challenges, what's the latest feedback. I always ask this, that what's the latest feedback that you've been given at work, that you've not started working on yet, like, you know. But if you do not know that feedback, how are you planning to grow? What's your commitment to growth, right? So I do feel कि थोड़ा सा preparation होना चाहिए, but अगर उस moment के अंदर नहीं आ रहा आंसर तो कुछ नहीं होता. Ask for time, take a pause, think through, and if you still feel कि you need a little bit more time to keep it in your head while you answer another question which might come more naturally to you, just say that I'll come to this question at the end. Like, you know, I've had some amazing experiences in interviews where people were not answering a question and they've emailed me the answer later to say, look, Sana, I thought about it, this is what I want to say. I've also had people email me to say that I said this to you, but now going back on the question, because I was going over the interview, this is what I think. And I think for me, those are very positive. For me, these are very positive experiences, right? That the person is thinking, the person is trying to correct. Maybe I'm not saying, oh, I gave them the job. No. But I do really respect these candidates, right? Who came back, who spoke to me about
also,
it.
one more question on this, because जो लोग अच्छे conversationalist होते हैं वो खुद को अच्छा sell भी कर पाते हैं, you know. And I was having this conversation lately with Hassan sir, Nasad sir. मैंने last time उनका जब podcast किया था तो क्योंकि मैंने ये चीज़ एक जगह पढ़ी थी. There's this quotation which says that every organization has underpaid assets and overpaid liabilities. So by that, the person who said this, so he meant कि वो लोग जो खुद को बहुत अच्छा सेल कर पाते हैं तो वो बेच तो लेते हैं खुद को, and there are times when people are not really working but they're selling themselves well, you know. So these kind of people are overpaid liabilities, and the people who are like working really hard but just unable to sell themselves are underpaid assets, you know. Your thoughts on that?
Well, my first thoughts were on me that I am a very good conversationalist, I like to believe, but I don't sell myself well. I'm not good at telling you what I'm good at. I find it very weird. So I'm like, I don't fall in this category, but it's true, it could be possible. But
you as an HR, what do you think as an HR?
As HR, I think so. Yeah, I'm an intelligent, smart HR. I don't just listen to what people have to say. I look at all data points, all performance points, all reviews. So I'm not that easily swifted by just one person speaking to me and charming me. No, it's not gonna work, like, you know. But I do feel कि yes, edge है, conversation का edge है, communication skills का edge है, likability, similar interests का edge है. I'll give you another example, which is more college led. People who like similar sports, or if you are in a similar society, आपकी ज़्यादा अच्छी दोस्ती है versus somebody who doesn't has the same interest as you. तो human nature है, right? But if you are aware of it कि आपका, like, you know, that you are very good at your job but you're not able to sell it, then it's a development area for you. And then work on it.
बट वो स्टेज जो इंटरव्यू की बात की है, अगर हम खास तौर पे उस पर बात करें, बिकॉज मेरे सामने एक HR का बंदा बैठा है, तो मैं ये ज़रूर पूछूंगी कि इंटरव्यू क्लियर करने के बाद भी people are able to clear the interviews, but during this process of like proving themselves in a new organization, there are times when people who are like good conversationalists can sell themselves well, are paid well eventually because they are able to sell even अगर उन्होंने इतना सा भी काम किया है. Then there are people जिन्होंने इतना काम किया है but वो sell नहीं कर पाते.
Honestly speaking, in my experience, you can't go far. I have not seen it. Like you can go, you can go this far that you might get a good job and you're getting like that you're doing this role well. I don't think you can be earmarked for a next role because उसके लिए आपको आपका काम करना और अपना काम आना ज़रूरी होता है. And I think there are many checks and balances in most organizations in order to award the ones who should be getting it.
ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जा सकते.
I don't think so. At least in my experience, or at least what I know of talent, because you're going from talent acquisition into talent management. Talent management के अंदर, at least what I know of it, no, you really need to know your work really well in order to go far, and for you to grow. Because एक level के ऊपर आके you cannot fake it. For your entire life, you can fake it for a little phase, and during this phase, you can also work on yourself. You can also grow those skills, etc. I'm not saying that you can't and nobody fakes it. You could be faking it while you're working on improving your skills, but eventually, real growth, meaningful growth that really gives you that dream career will come when you really know your job really well. You need to be a master at your job, and at least in my आपके ऑडियंस कहेगी कि नहीं उनके एक्सपीरियंस में ये नहीं हुआ, तो मैं कहूँगी मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में, मेरे कॉर्पोरेट करियर में, आई थिंक द टैलेंट मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेसेस आर सो रोबस्ट, दे आर so robust that it's not possible to elevate without actually doing the job. You have to eat what you cook. It's tough otherwise.
I think हर बात का मैंने लास्ट कॉन्वर्सेशन में भी आपको ही बोला था, हर बात का एक बड़ा पॉजिटिव नोट पे एंड होता है सना के साथ बात करते हुए. एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि हमने इसको बहुत स्पेसिफिक रखते हुए स्टोरी कवर की है. आई विल अटैच योर प्रीवियस इंटरव्यूज लिंक टू दिस इंटरव्यू सो दैट जिन लोगों को और सीखना है और जिन्होंने नहीं देखा है,
इमेजिन दोनों इंटरव्यूज में डिफरेंट बातें करती हूँ, फिर we'll create controversy. No, I think it's
at the beginning stage of hustle. I am okay with controversies.
No, I think it's also you should realize that people grow, and अगर different हुआ भी तो it's fine. My opinions change as my experiences change. I know my job, I know my work. मैं काम करती हूँ तो मुझे opinion बनता है. But नहीं, I always love coming to your show. It's always fun. I do it as a way to talk to you also. और इस पर मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं सारा इंटरव्यू उर्दू में दे दूँ, कि ये कमेंट मैंने पढ़ा था कि सना इंग्लिश में बहुत ज़्यादा बात करती है, लाइक तो मैंने ये कमेंट पढ़ा, तो आई थॉट कि अगर कभी सेकंड चांस मिला हसल के ऊपर तो मैं आई विल फोकस कि मैं
आपने आज भी अंग्रेजी में
नहीं मैंने इतना उर्दू में, लाइक आई एम पाकिस्तानी, आई नो माई उर्दू रियली वेल, सो मेरी कोशिश थी कि मैं ज़्यादा उर्दू में बात करूँ.
बेहतर हुआ है काफ़ी उर्दू में. तीसरे वाले में आप मुझे चार्ज करने लग जाओगे
कि कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आपने इंटरव्यू लेना है.
So before closing the interview, any last piece of advice you'd like to share with hustlers?
On interviews,
it can be anything. Career development, professional growth.
Don't give up. I think times are a little bit tough right now globally. There is a recession. I think job opportunities कम है. Outlook थोड़ा सा यानी कि मुश्किल है at this point in time. You're not alone in feeling a little bit lonely. We're all with you. So don't give up. Have hope. Focus. And instead of thinking कि why not me और ये मेरे साथ ही नहीं हुआ, look for the right opportunities to continue going. And you will eventually see, I'm a big believer in this, that if you continue going, you're going to meet your match and you're going to meet your destiny and your dream job at one point in time or another. So continue, don't give up. This I think is very, very important, that don't give up. If this interview did not work out, some other one will. If your job hunt is not going well, sign up for an internship. It's fine. Learning ke liye you don't need to be of a particular age, a particular seniority or whatever. Learn. I am relearning a lot. When I took up this role, I think I told you last as well, talent acquisition is not a forte for me, but literally I went from ground up and I'm still learning. So continue learning, invest in yourself, understand setbacks सबके साथ आते हैं. लोग नहीं शेयर करते setbacks, लोग खुशियाँ शेयर करते हैं, achievements शेयर करते हैं, but setbacks भी आते हैं. So if you're in that phase, don't give up just yet, like, you know.
Lovely,
And
lovely. I think
that is
this
very,
the
very
beautiful
important.
piece of advice anybody could ever have. Thank you so much for being with us, Sana.
Likewise, thank you so much for having me here.